I want you to imagine two people. The first is you, as you currently are. The second is also you, only with one difference. You've become really good with words. Now I'm guessing that this second version of you, the one that's become really good with words, will be a lot better at school, if you're a student, at work, if you have a job, and also at connecting with people, whether on social media, through text messages, or even while doing something I encourage all of you to do by the end of the course. Craft a handwritten letter to someone you care about. And I certainly think this second version of you will be a lot better at perhaps the most common form of writing most of us do these days, which is email. Just imagine what it would mean if you became 10 or 20 or perhaps 50% better at email and all of the other writing you do. Think of the impact it would have on your career prospects, your relationships, your capacity to express yourself clearly and compellingly. My guess is that the impact would be pretty big, which is why we put together this MOOC. It's based on a course and workshop I have taught at the University of Michigan Law School, the University of Chicago Law School, and several law firms, government agencies, and nonprofit organizations. But the materials have also been used by plenty of people outside of the legal profession. Here's just a partial list of the fields that folks who have taken the Michigan version of the course are pursuing: consulting, banking, medicine, social work, education, public policy, engineering, philosophy, design, music, data science, economics. And while I'll be focusing on how to become good with words in English, I'm told by the many international students and professionals I get to work with that these lessons are particularly useful for non-English speakers, not just because they help you understand how to write better in English, but also because they contain principles that can improve the way you write in other languages as well. I've heard this from students of mine who grew up in China, Japan, Brazil, Germany, India, Ghana, Iran, Spain, Mexico, and many other countries. It's actually kind of hard for me to think of a place or profession where it wouldn't help to be good with words. So let's get started.